Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to talk to you about Hadel Cashier Management System with Abel. For your information, Abel is software receptacle. Before that, let's introduce myself and my friend that will explain of this presentation. Next. My name is Ismi Sopiyanti and my friend name is Reza Asep Adik Purnomo. I plan to speak for about our project in the beginning and my friend in the end of section, and I divided this presentation into 5 sections. Next. You can look at the screen. First is about the project, second system analysis, third table design, fourth database design, 5 design interface or testing. And then next. First, I will explain about our project. Currently, there are rampant crimes. Besides that, customers may not install a hotel application but want to book hotel, so the solution is to use the old system, namely contacting the hotel for reservation purpose. And then manual recording using Excel is very troublesome. Besides that, data security is used. Therefore, we created a hotel recording system application for hotel entry and exit, so that guest-related variables can be tracked and evaluated whether guests are staying or age. Next. Next. And then the second, I will explain about system analysis of this project. The desktop application that we have created has the following advantages. First, having a login system with a specific username and password so that it cannot be entered by foreign parties. Two, have a local database which can only be accessed via MySQL on the related computer or laptop. Third, there is no system update so that the customer and the hotel do not change the content of the previously filled files. And then last, having an email system. Besides saving paper, customer can easily save e-bills compared to paper bills that are easily lost. So the overall function of the application is record, come and go with the following variables: guest ID, guest name, guest total, type room, code room, check-in, length of stay, and total cost. And then generate e-bills that can be distributed to related guests. Next. Third, I will explain about table design of sign-up login table. First, we make file name. The name is first admin ID that have data type in and have width 11, and this is for primary key for sign-up login table. And two, admin name has text data type, and then the content is admin name. And username, the data type is text, and then content username that used in login different. And then for password, the data type of this file is text, and then the content of this file is password that used in login Jeffra. You can look at the screen, the file name, type, collection, attribute, and age. And then second, I will explain about table design. Check-in. First, file name is guest ID, the data type is in, and the width is 11. This file name is primary key for check-in table. The second is guest name, has data type text, and then the width is and then this file is used content guest name to display in a bill. And then third, quiz total, the data type is int, and the width is 11, and content quiz total to display enable. Room type, the data type is text, and then content room type to display enable. And then code room, data type is text, and then content code room to display enable. Check in, send to, text, and then length of stay in, the width 11, content length of stay of quiz to display enable. Total cost sum 2, data type is in 11, content total cost of quiz to display in enable. Then checkout ID is the foreign key for check-in table. Next. I will explain about table design, checkout table. First, quest ID is a foreign key for table checkout, and then quest name, type text, and then this file content quest name. Checkout that, this file content checkout that. Then added facilities, the type of this file is text, and this is content. Added facilities that quest uses. And then the last is checkout ID. This is primary key for table checkout. Next, I will explain database design. First, we have table, the name is check-in. Second, we have table, the name is sign up login, and then table checkout, and then I had explained in the last, and the table check-in and checkout has a relationship one to many, with primary key is checkout ID in checkout, and foreign key is checkout ID in table check-in table. Next. And this design interfaces of sign up. We have file admin name, username, and password, and then the exception will be explained by my friend or Reza. Reza?
And my name is Reza Purnomo. I want to tell about our project. Okay. In design interface login, this is our user interface, which display the first screen. When admin enters the application, there are two buttons, namely sign up and login. For the sign in and login button, using the button palette. This function to move page in the application. To log in, it will lead to the JFrame menu, while sign up to JFrame sign up. To be able to log in, the admin must have a username and password that are already in the database. When the data does not exist or the text and password file are not, and this warning login file. Okay, and then this edition interface, option message sign up. The warning display that is generated from the option about is the view that is obtained from the sign up menu. The first is the admin forgets to enter the name or text file in an empty condition. It will be prompt to fill in the name. Then next time when you forget to fill in the username, there will be a comment to fill in the username as well as the password. Okay, and then design interface menu. In this UI menu, JFrame only display available rooms and their facilities. To display the available facilities themselves, use the text area. Okay, and then the button close is a button to exit the application in total. Then the check-in button will lead to input, check-in, and to the checkout menu. Okay, and next, input data check-in. In the input check-in section, it functions to input hotel customer data into the database. And then in room selection and additional facilities, the price will automatically come out when the radio button or checkbox is pressed. Then the combo box for selecting the date and room code is input automatically. Then the total call then the total count will be automatically calculated when the look button is pressed. Then the add button will enter the data into the database. The next button itself will lead to the JFrame table order. Then reset interface input data checkout. This menu function to enter customer data when they have finishing staying at the hotel, and then data input is carried out in accordance with the order made. Using the add button, the data will be input in the database, and the next button will lead to the checkout table. And then the table data check-in or table order. In this table, the table order menu contains that data has been input on the previous menu, and the data will be displayed in this table menu. Data can be deleted using the delete button, which already has a deletion function. Meanwhile, the refresh button function to refresh the page when data has been deleted, and the search menu itself function by entering keywords in the text file and clicking the button. Okay, and then table data checkout. Then this table will display the data of the person who check out for the delete button itself to delete data, refresh to refresh the page when delete, and next page to menu tab to menu table. Okay, and this message delete if you delete the table. Okay, and next design interface for a bill. In this menu contains the printout of the last input database, which will then display the ordering data. Then return to the order menu using the home button above it. Okay, and we end our say thank you for your attention. Okay, and then I will show testing from our project. Login. Sign up. Okay, user add. Okay, login. Okay, and this menu, check in. Total 2 put check in. Okay, length of stay 2 days. Okay, and add facilities center. Okay, display room in. Okay. And checkout ID. Okay, add. Next. Okay, and in this table, search Ismi Rizki. Okay. Press. Delete. Okay. Delete. Press. Next. This for a bill. Okay. Check out. Okay. Total 2 room, and 9. ID. Stay. Okay, data success. Next. Okay. Refresh. Okay. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you.